Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play a dragon game. To begin your exciting journey, first understand the core objective, which usually involves collecting, training, and battling powerful dragons. You'll typically start by choosing one of 3 initial dragons. Take a moment to explore the game's interface and controls. Completing the first few tutorial quests is crucial. They guide you through essential mechanics and reward you with valuable resources to kickstart your adventure. Expanding your dragon collection is a key part of the game. You can acquire new dragons by breeding 2 existing ones, hatching eggs found through exploration, or participating in limited-time events. Each dragon requires a specific habitat matching its elemental type, like fire or water. Remember to feed your dragons regularly. This is essential for them to gain experience and grow stronger. Happy, healthy dragons perform better in battles and produce more resources. Training is vital for making your dragons formidable. Utilize training grounds or special items to enhance their attack, defense, and health statistics. As your dragons reach specific level milestones, you'll have the opportunity to evolve them. Evolution transforms their appearance and significantly boosts their power, often unlocking new, more potent skills. Carefully consider which dragons to prioritize for training and evolution based on their elemental strengths and your team's needs. Battling is where your training pays off. Participate in player versus player arenas or challenge computer opponents in campaign modes. Assemble a balanced team, typically 3 to 5 dragons, ensuring a variety of elemental types to cover different situations. Mastering elemental strengths and weaknesses is crucial for strategic advantage. During combat, time your dragon's special abilities effectively to maximize damage and minimize incoming attacks, leading your team to victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.